Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. Well, you haven't seen me for a while. Well, we've been going through quite a mess here since May. We had a evacuation for forest fires, so we were out for a while. Got back from that and wasn't here a week, and my dog herniated a disc. I had to rush her over to another province and get her operated on, and well, that was very costly. Then after that, it was sort of settling down, everything was coming back to normal, and I thought, hey, I'll be able to get back to building some Lego and stuff. No, we had a flood. Why? Because we had flash flood. We had like more rain in 2 hours than what we would have in 4 months, and it was crazy. And as you can see, there's what I've got out so far. That's 1/3 of my basement has to be replaced. That's all the floors anyway. And so as for building Lego and whatever lately, it's been a no-go. So I apologize for that. This is just an update to let you know what I've been doing and what I'm up to. But I will, however, get into some videos hopefully next, well, I don't know, while or so. But I just didn't want you to think that I've gone stale or something. But it's because of this mess. And luckily, the forest fires, we were lucky, and they didn't come quite our way. So that was good. But damage from the flood, yeah, not so lucky. Lego room and garage took a huge hit on the floors. Luckily, though, none of the Lego was damaged. It's plastic anyway, so it's not a big deal. There was a few bags of it that has to be dried out and stuff, but, you know, that's the way it is, par for course, I guess. But, all in all, everyone is safe, and, you know, that's the main thing right now. So we'll get back to this Lego building business, hopefully shortly, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.